personali a vostra disposizione presso i banchi assistenti.
Good morning from Paris. This is going to be such a fun adventure to film, and I'm here for a little while living, so I'm really excited to get some videos out for you guys, and it's just going to be, I feel like, such an exciting, formative time. I need to get like body products, skincare, random stuff I didn't bring. I kind of slept terribly, but it's okay. I took the sheets off that the apartment came with, and I didn't realize the sheets that I brought didn't come with a duvet cover, so I just slept with like the thin sheet and then the pillows that I brought. Wasn't the best sleep, but it's also so hot and we don't have air conditioning. We just have fans in our apartment because that's just how most French apartments are. So I didn't need a duvet, but I think I was just uncomfortable sleeping. I'd like to journal a little, read my book, and get a coffee. I got blue sheets because it's all they had left. So hopefully it doesn't look terrible. These are so cute. I'm about to try this on and make sure it all fits. So exciting and fun. So cute. Another day in Paris. I just showered. Today is the Patou show. Me and Maya are going together. The looks just got here, and I just made my bed. No! I have hair and makeup coming out 1 today for the Patou show. I'm running out to the markets because I really need hangers and a new mirror. So, wish me luck. Where are my keys? It's also raining outside, which is actually kind of nice. I'm gonna leave my doors open for some fresh air. We just finished hair and makeup. I love it. They crushed it and they're doing my glam for Chanel, so I'm so excited. Okay, I'm leaving you here. I'll change and be back. Good morning. I'm going to a lunch meeting in Paris. Probably won't film it, but we'll see what else I get up to. I'm late though, so I gotta go. It's the day of the Chanel show. Woo-hoo. My eyes are so puffy. I need to shower and wash my hair, and then my hair and makeup gets here in like 30 minutes. And then I need to make a coffee and a little food. But I have a feeling it'll be a long morning. I'm so tired. I'm so excited to see the Chanel show though. Like, I really am. I love fashion. I love how light it stays for so long in the days. It feels amazing. Maya and I are going for a little date night to this really amazing restaurant called Jade. I have so many friends that have told me to go. Can't wait. So we'll walk to dinner and enjoy the sunlight and then probably walk home later. And it's apparently Jade is really good. I hope I'm saying that right. I botch every pronunciation in Paris. It's embarrassing. Every restaurant I've pronounced wrong, so I'm probably saying it wrong. But apparently the steak frites is amazing. And also I saw they had Dover sole, which I'm addicted to. Please bear with me as I'm still getting situated and I hope this quality is okay. I feel like it looks fuzzy. I am a little all over the place in terms of filming and just my living situation in general. And then I've just had a really crazy busy week since being in Paris. I did the Patou show, the Chanel show, which was amazing. And then we took the train to London, which I think I filmed the train and then maybe some iPhone clips and then nothing else. So now I'm back home in Paris. I'm living in Paris for a little while. That's the update. And then a lot more fun, exciting change is also coming in the future, which I'm so excited to share with you guys. I'm hopefully launching my business at the end of this year. There's just a lot going on, and it's all really good and really exciting. But I wanted to show you guys my London haul of some things I got because I feel like that would be the perfect way to end this video, and I found some amazing vintage pieces, so I thought we could do that. First up, this top. I thought it was just funny. It says, "Do you think I'm sexy?" I got it at a vintage store. Next up is this top. This is just easy. Cute. Then we have this. I don't know how to do this cape justice. Can you tell how cool this cape is? It's from the 20s. This vintage McQueen jacket with these crazy shoulders. This jacket, I know it's summer, but I mean, if you saw this, would you buy it? I had to get it in 2 seconds. Probably my favorite purchase, along with the crazy shoulder jacket. This is vintage Cavalli, also really cool. Unique. I'm not in the mood to put this on, but I got this Versace skirt. It's like mid-length and really pretty. This is my setup.